Hello guys, welcome to hydrocarbon series. In the last video, we were talking about alkenes. Today, we will learn about nomenclature and isomerism of alkenes. There are two ways of naming. One is IUPAC naming and another one is common naming. Some of the rules for IUPAC naming are: first one, locate the longest carbon chain in our compound. That will be called as parent chain. I will show the examples later. First we will see what are the rules. Second one, name that longest carbon chain. In this there will be numbering from the end such that substituent get the lowest number. Third rule is figure out what the ending, that is suffix, should be. In this there will be identification of functional group. Name the side group. If the substituent occurs more than one time, then the prefix will be di, tri or tetra is being used with the location of the carbon on which it is present. Last one, if more than one substituents are present and they are different, so these will be named in alphabetical order. We will see the examples now. The first examples we will take that butane. The general formula for the butane is C4H10. We can write butane in two ways. One is continuous chain and another one is branched structure. The continuous chain is 4 carbon atoms are joined continuously. There will be hydrogen atom attached to carbon atoms. In branched structure, three atoms are attached continuously and second carbon is having the branched. Here also all the carbons are attached with hydrogens. The name for this is butane. For branched it is, the rules says locate the longest carbon chain in our compound. In this, which is the longest carbon chain? I will number this 1, 2, 3. If this we are taking, then 1, 2, 3 and this will be branched. If we are taking 1, 2, 3, this as 3, then this will be branched. In this smaller molecule, hence we can take this or this. The name for this is 2-methyl propane. The longest carbon chain name is propane. The branching is methyl group. CH3 is methyl. When the substituents attached to parent chain, this longest carbon chain is called parent chain. When the substituents are there, that will become methyl or ethyl or propyl. Likewise, the alkyl groups are attached. Similarly, one more example we'll take that pentane. The general formula for this is C5H12. We can arrange the pentane in three ways. One is continuous chain and two are in branching. In this, all the carbons are attached with hydrogen. This is called pentane. In this structure, we will number this 1, 2. Now, if we give 2, 3 to this, then 3, 4. Then this will be substituent. If we are taking 3 to this, then this will be branched. We need to consider here the longest carbon chain. If we are taking this, then it is a 3-membered carbon chain. If we are taking this, then it is 4-membered carbon chain. The 4-membered carbon chain is longest, hence we are taking 3, 4, and this will be branched. Hence the name is 2-methyl butane. The name will be 2-methyl butane. Likewise, here also 1, 2. This we are taking 3, means it is in this molecule is same. Hence we can take anything. 3. The name will be 2, 2 dimethyl propane. The prefix will be di because at the position 2 there are 2 methyl groups attached. 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Common name for these are, for butane it is N-butane. The common name should always be written in the brackets. And for branched structure, the name is isobutane. For pentane, it is N-pentane. The N indicates that it is a continuous carbon chain. There will not be branched. For this 2-methyl butane, the common name will be isopentane, and common name for 2, 2 dimethyl propane is neopentane. Here one more thing to discuss, that based on the number of carbon atoms attached to the carbon atoms, the carbon atoms are named as primary, secondary, tertiary and the quaternary. This carbon is attached with this 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4. This carbon is attached with 4 other carbon atoms. Hence this carbon atom is called quaternary carbon atom. This is called quaternary. If the carbon is having 4 valence, that means it can bond with 4 other atoms. In this, one of the hydrogen is replaced by the carbon. That will be called as primary carbon. If 2 hydrogens are replaced by the carbon atoms, then this will be secondary. If 3 hydrogens are replaced by carbon, then that will be called tertiary. This carbon is called as primary, secondary and tertiary. In this, the middle carbon is quaternary, but the substituents all are primary. In this, 1, 2, 3, this carbon atom is attached with 3 carbon atoms. Hence this second carbon is known as tertiary carbon atom. The boiling point of this butane is, this N-butane is 273 Kelvin. Boiling point. And for branched it is 261 Kelvin. And for pentane it is 309 Kelvin. And isopentane Kelvin. Sorry, it is 301 Kelvin. And here it is 282.5 Kelvin. I will name the structures as, this is first structure and this will be 2. This is 3. This is 4 and this is 5. The structure 1 and 2 are called isomers of butane. 1 and 2 are called isomers of butane. And these 3, 4 and 5 are the isomers of pentane. What are these isomers? Means difference in properties is due to difference in their structure. They are known as structural isomers. I will repeat. Difference in properties is due to difference in their structures. They are known as structural isomer. In this, we can observe that when it is continuous chain, then the boiling point will be 273 Kelvin. When it comes to branch structure, the boiling point becomes 261 Kelvin. Hence, these are the isomers of butane. Likewise, pentane, in continuous chain structure, it is 309 Kelvin, and for isopentane, it is 301 Kelvin, and for neopentane, it is 282.5 Kelvin. How the structure changes, the property is also changing. That are called structural isomers. We will take some more examples for IUPAC naming. The first example is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH2, OH. Sorry, only one hydrogen because the carbon valence is 4. The name for this is, how to name this? We need to number this. From here we have to number. Why? Because the numbering from the end such that the substituent should get the lowest number. That will be called lowest count numbering. This carbon atom will have 1 number. This will be 2, 3, 4. Hence the name will be, hence the name of the carbon chain is butane. Okay. Next, the branched, that is substituent is what? This methyl. And the functional group is what? OH. OH means it should be suffix. What will be the suffix for this OH? It is OAL. Means it is alcohol. Therefore, the name will be 2-methyl but 1-all. Next example. In this, the numbering from here. If we are starting the numbering from this side, then the substituent will be at 3rd position. But from here, it will be 2nd position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, 2 substituents are there and both are different. What will be the rule says? Alphabetical order we need to check. At 4th position, it is ethyl group. And in 2nd position, it is methyl group. Which comes first? E will be the first. Hence, the name will be 4-ethyl 2-methyl hexane. Therefore, the name will be 4-ethyl 2-methyl hexane. Next example. The numbering starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 means it is octane. And 5th position there is a substituent, and 4th position there will be one substituent, and at 3rd position there are 2 substituents and both are same. And in this we need to check alphabet also. This is ethyl group. E comes first, therefore the name will be 3,3 diethyl. The name of this is isopropyl. I comes first, Hence 5 isopropyl, 4 methyl octane. That's all for today. Thank you.